Hi everyone, this is Gururaj. I've done my engineering in Bangalore. First of all, a special thanks to Dr. G.V. Ramana sir for creating fabulous and win-to-win opportunity for every students and parents and guiding the students to live the life in correct way. Before getting admission to Superstar students, I had a lot of dreams, but I didn't have any opportunity to accomplish it. I was one among the students looking for an opportunity which provides proper guidance and financial independence to my life. It is the best platform to become extraordinary in our life who wants to learn new things and explore and experience new ideas to build our career. These study models help us to learn life education skills, English communication skills, leadership qualities, the ethics and culture are just extraordinary. The moreover, it teaches how to respect parents, how to respect women. Join this mega revolution to see better version of yourself. Thank you.